Hello, I'm Miss Lucia. Come join us on a learning journey.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here, an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here, a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a bubba here and bubba there, here a ba, there and ba, everywhere a bubba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's count. So much to count, so little time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 10. We can make 10 dots. Five and 5 more make 10 dots. We can make tally marks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 more are 10. Old MacDonald is so excited about his farm animals. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 animals on the farm. Can you count the duck eggs? Did you count 10? Yes, there are 10. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sally Sloth says it slowly. Old MacDonald had a farm. A-R says R. Farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here, and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack. Everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. It's Word Dog Detective. He loves words. Time to hunt for some words. Word Dog Detective sees the word here. H-E-R-E, here. This word we mark with a heart because we just have to learn it by heart. Here. Here is the word here with a capital H. Here. H-E-R-E. Here. Let's give it a heart. We just have to learn it by heart. It doesn't sound out. Here. Here. With a ba here and a ba there. Here a ba, there a ba. Everywhere a ba. T-H-E-R-E, there. Put a heart by it. We just learn it by heart. There. T-H-E-R-E. And an oink, oink there. T-H-E-R-E, there. And a moo, moo there. And, A-N, we can sound that one out. Put 2 dots. A says ah, N says n. Blend together, an. Again, A-N, an. Again, A-N, an. And here, A-N, an. With an oink, oink here, and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there, an oink. Everywhere, an oink, oink. We use an when the next word starts with a vowel. Here is a vowel O, so we use, instead of A, we use an, with an oink, oink here. You did an amazing job today. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.